This is the RGB light remote which comes with almost every LED light strip, and in this video I will explain what every single button does. The power button turns it on and off. These buttons with the sun and an arrow turn the brightness up and down. The buttons with R, G and B stand for red, green and blue. They change the color of the light to whichever button you press. The W button turns the light color to white. These buttons just simply turn the light color to whichever button you press. Some remotes like mine may have sound sensitive buttons too, and those 4 buttons have different ways of reacting to the sound the light picks up. These 8 buttons here are different routine modes that your LED light can use. Auto turns the speed of the routine to the default, slow slows down the speed of the routine, and quick turns the speed of the routine higher. You can press these buttons multiple times. The rest are routine modes. The pause button is used to pause and resume a routine while it's happening. Finally, these DIY buttons and the arrows are used to set up your own custom light. To do this, you can either reset the light to nothing by repeatedly pressing on the down arrow on each of the colored arrows, and then using the up arrows to make your own color, and then press the DIY button to save it. You can also pick a color and use the arrows to change it, and then press the DIY button, or you can use Fade 7 to cycle between all 7 colors, and then press the pause button, and then save it to a DIY slot. So that is how you use an LED light remote. Thanks for watching and see ya.